Welcome, here I've got TCL 10 SE and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings. As you can see here we have save location information option, so this function allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture. To turn this off we have to tap on this button, and also by just another tap we can easily turn it on. So this is how it works. And here also the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of our device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. From here let's go to the left corner at the bottom to this button. When we pick this, we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. To check its location, we have to tap on the center to get access to more options about the gallery. Now let's move to the right corner at the bottom to this button. Here we have to pick the details. And now let's slide a little bit down. As you can see at the last position we have the location with the map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.